and welcome back to my channel. What are you doing there? I don't wax my nostrils very often. I only think I should do it whenever I see my husband doing it, and I think, oh yeah, I could use having the nostrils hair free and having that clean feeling. It's a feeling I can't really describe very well unless you experience it as well. You'll understand if you experience it. It's really easy to do. It's not painful if you pull it really fast, and it just only takes a few minutes. The box that I purchased from Amazon comes with some Safe Tip Applicators, and these are perfect because they don't go really deep into your nose. Don't use anything else, just the Safe Tip Applicators. I'm gonna let you know in the video exactly. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, and that only removes the outer hair, the hair that's embarrassingly coming out from your nose. It didn't happen to me yet. Maybe at an older age, I don't know, I hope not. But men usually tend to do this. I don't know if women do it very often. I did it a couple of times and it feels really good, and it feels like I have clean nostrils. The air comes in more easily somehow. It just feels clean and nice. And I know that when I go to the dentist and I just sit there with the open mouth when the dentist is looking at my teeth, I know she won't be able to see my hair too much. I don't know, it's just something in my head. I thought I should share this on my channel for anyone that might find this helpful. I wasn't sure if I'm going to post this because it's quite embarrassing, you know, but well, I thought, why the hell not? Because some people might wonder about what product would be the best. This product is not expensive either. It's £9.94, and you get like I think 45 grams. It's in a box. The wax that you heat it in the micro. It comes with instructions. You put it in the micro for 2 minutes or something like that. It comes with instructions. It comes with 8 Safe Tip Applicators. Specially designed Safe Tip Applicator fits just inside the nose to remove only the long visible hairs, leaving the important hair deep inside the nose undisturbed. So this will not go deep inside the nose. Don't be scared. I mean, I was a bit, you know, at first, but when I saw how these look, and I've obviously tested putting one in my nostril without any wax and saw that they don't go deep, and as long as you just use these and not other tools, just you'll be fine. Look at the instructions and you follow them accordingly, then you won't have any problems. I'm just gonna show you how I did it, and I hope you'll find it helpful. It says Nad's nose wax removes unsightly nose hair in minutes, leaving the nostrils hair free for up to 8 weeks. Before I did this, I had to heat the wax in the micro for about 2 minutes or longer. You'll see the temperature, and you have to test the wax temperature on your inside of your wrist, which I did that as well. And you have to also clean your nose, just to make sure it's a clean area and yeah, not have boogies in there. I don't know. And press on your skin like that to just make sure it sticks to the wax, and basically that's how you do it. You make sure you don't put too much wax on the applicator, not to go past that little ball at the end, you see, because when you push it in, you know, you don't want too much wax, but with practice it will get perfect. You have to just leave it in. It says do not move or twist the applicator once it's been inserted, and you have to leave the applicator inside the nostril for at least 90 seconds, but no more than 2 minutes. I've set my timer for this on my phone, so I made sure that I don't keep this too long in my nose, because it's a bit scary as it is disgusting, but it's mostly scary, isn't it, putting stuff in your nose? But if you follow the instructions accordingly, you'll be fine. And then you have to pull the Safe Tip applicator down in one swift movement really fast. After you pull it down fast, it says on the instructions to wipe the inside of your nostrils using a Nad's antibacterial wipe. Okay, so it's time to pull this away. That's my son with his dinosaur around here. This is the one I applied first. I can barely breathe because I'm breathing through my mouth. I think you have to do it fast. Okay. Oh my god. Oh.
His hair?
feels like I'm so clean in my nostrils, and it didn't hurt, honestly. If you do it fast, it doesn't hurt. I know it sounds crazy, but it doesn't hurt. This is my nostril hair on here, which is kind of disgusting. Going to pull on this one as well, because you shouldn't keep it longer than 2 minutes. So here it goes, really fast. Oh my god, I didn't realize I have so much hair in my nostril. It only takes the surface hairs, it says, the ones that protect your nostrils, they still stay inside. I still have the wax from where I tested it on the inner wrist. You're supposed to test it before you use it. So this just comes out really easily once it's dry. I have some wax residue just here at the entrance of my nostril, but nothing to worry about. You can just scoop it out. It's not like really deep. That's why they give you these special applicators, because this stops it going deeper. So don't do this with any other tools, just the ones that they came with. So now let me give you a tip with these. I still have plenty of wax there to use next time. It's about this level here, like that. You can still use the wax inside, but if you throw these away, these are really hard to find. And wrap cling film on it and put it in the fridge until next day, just so we can keep the grossiness touching any other things. It's because it's going to harden the wax, and then whilst still in the cling film, you can just use like a roller pin, something hard like that. Just use the chopping board, do that on it, and don't remove the cling film. And just with the roller pin, I break the wax that's been previously hardened in the fridge, and that leaves these things clean. And then you can, again, when they're clean of wax, because there's wax, the wax is just gonna break and fall down within the cling film, and do that. And then you can wash these if you really want to, and then you can reuse these. That's something to keep in mind. You don't want to throw these away. My nostril feel very clean, and the air just goes in easier through my nostrils. I just don't know how to describe. They don't take away the hair that you still need to protect you from particles of dust, and you know, the purpose of that hair deep inside your nostril is still going to be fulfilled, because that hair will not be removed, just the outside layer of hair that might be embarrassing or might stick out. And that's how I do this whenever I decide to do it. I hope it will help someone. Yeah, so that's how I wax my hair nostril hair, I don't know how to say it. I don't do it very often. I don't think I have a lot of massive hairs in my nostrils. I don't think that's the case, but I was curious, and since it felt nice the first time I did it, I tried the second time as well. And yeah, I just I like the feeling. It's like really clean nostrils, really nice. If you were thinking to do that and you weren't really sure, then you can give that a try, and you might like it. You might like it, yeah. If you enjoyed my video and you found it helpful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me. If you're already subscribed, then thank you. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong.